Imagine walking into your home every day to floors that look freshly scrubbed by hand, without ever touching a mop or vacuum. That's the promise behind the Yeedi S14 Plus robot vacuum and mop, and it's one of the most advanced cleaning systems Yeedi has released so far. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. The standout feature is the revolutionary Osmo Roller, a wide rotating mop that spins at 200 RPM to actively scrub away stuck-on dirt, footprints, and spills. Unlike flat mop pads that just drag across the floor, this system delivers real deep cleaning while intelligently controlling water to keep floors dry and safe. On the vacuum side, the S14 Plus packs a powerful 18,000 ppi of suction, easily lifting dust, debris, and pet hair. The Zero Tangle 2.0 brush design prevents hair from wrapping around the rollers, making it ideal for homes with pets and high traffic. What truly makes this robot hands-free is the Omni Smart Station. It automatically washes the mop with hot water, dries it with warm air to prevent odors, empties the dustbin, and refills clean water, handling maintenance for you. With TrueEdge 2.0, the robot cleans right along walls and corners with impressive precision, while the Yeedi app lets you customize every clean to match your home. The Yeedi S14 Plus isn't just smart, it's built to replace daily cleaning altogether.